Hello everyone, my name is Ravinder Singh and today I'm gonna represent my final presentation project and which is about COVID-19, and the core message of my assignment is the current measures are effective and should be kept until WHO officially ends the global pandemic and data analysis approach. So basically for this project, we have been hired as an advisor of the Prime Minister of Canada, and our task is to analyze the current COVID-19 situation and evaluate the effectiveness of existing measures and recommend when Canada should call the end of pandemic. So I got two datasets for this assignment, and I got these datasets from Ontario Data Catalog, which contains the data of various provinces around the Canada from 2020 to 2021. So I used Python to remove some null columns and unnecessary entries for the better results. And after that, I used Power BI to create some visuals for making comparisons for getting better results and to easily understand. And my first visual is pie chart, which is generated with the help of Power BI. And from here we can see the maximum cases are seen in the age group of 20, which is 20%. So the maximum COVID cases are seen in the age group of 20, and only 14% of 40s and 50s got positive to COVID-19. And the 2.8% of 80s were seen positive to COVID-19, and which is this count is less than from all age groups. And my next chart is line chart, which is about new cases by month. This chart is about 2021, and the maximum cases were seen in the month of November 2021, which is nearly 140 million around the world. And in the month of December, the count shows the decreasing trend, which is good for Canada and which is good for every individual. And the new cases showed less count during February 2021. And my next chart is bar chart, which describes about the various provinces like Toronto, Ottawa, Eastern Ontario, Algoma District, Peel region, Niagara region, and Dunn region. So the maximum cases were recorded in Toronto, which is 122K, and this count is followed by Peel region with 79K cases, where 22 cases were also seen in Durham region, but in the city of Ottawa, there were no cases were seen during 2021 according to the dataset. And my last chart is donut chart. So the maximum cases were seen in Toronto during 2021, and this donut chart is from 2020 to 2021. And Ottawa has only 2K cases of COVID-19 during that time period. And 118K cases were also recorded in the Peel region during that time period. And we can see other regions also like Durham, Algoma district, Niagara, and all. And conclusion and recommendation. So the number of cases showing the decreasing trend during 2021 in the comparison of 2020. So it is good for Canada. The number is decreasing as Canada is doing very good to stop the spread of COVID-19 from many other countries. Like in the comparison of many other countries, Canada is doing very good to save their natives. More people should be encouraged to get vaccinated. That is good for children and the elder one also. So my recommendation is all the educational institutes need to work remotely until the end of global pandemic. That will be very helpful to stop the spread of the COVID-19. And the government of Canada should follow all the guidelines of the World Health Organization. Thank you.